This is all I'm carrying. Rod, my camera gear, my fanny pack with a box of worm, and some jig heads. That's it. We got like 2.5 hours to execute, so yep, fishing downtown. Let's make it happen. Oh yeah, let's catch some fish, guys. You already know where we're going. Gotta cross the street. I don't want to die. We're gonna be hopping around as much as we can. Catch some fish. Oh yeah, the water's low too, and there's tons of fish down there. Tons of bluegills. Holy smokes! So that's all I got right here. Some worm, rod and reel. Any luck? No? Nice. Yeah?
Hey, is this your YouTube channel?
That is me, yeah. What's up, man? The water's really clear.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Yesterday was up to here.
Really? Hey, it dropped pretty fast. I'm just stopping by to check it out real quick. What are you guys going for? Yeah? Alright, dude. Good luck, guys. Weeds are really high too. There we go. There we go. We got a nice one. It's a nice rock bass. Oh yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Jeez. Look at that. Nice rock bass. Alright. See ya, buddy. Get a bigger one. Come on, big rock bass. I know you're here. Yep, there we go. Oh, we got yellow bass. Bro. We got yellow bass. Now this is a species I haven't caught this year yet. Look how tiny it is. Oh, jeez. Look at how tiny that fish is. But these things are really cool looking. You see that? That is cool. I'll let it go. It's a little guy. There's a lot of grass right now. Got another one. Wow, we got another little yellow bass. Really tiny, but really freaking cool looking. Look at that. That's cool. Come on, give me a bigger one. Bigger one. So it's a very few times where you catch a lot of those or they come up this far, honestly. But just catching them like that, that feels awesome. There we go. Dude, there's tons of them. Sheesh. There's no limit on those either. Look at this. Whoa. Booyah. Look at this. Oh, it's a creek chub. Wow. We're catching all sorts of species today. Look at this, guys. That right there is a creek chub. They're pretty cool. It's a good cut bait, but I didn't bring my the catfish rod with me. Oh gosh, right in the eye. Let it go. Alright, so we're gonna move because again, there's like thousands of yellow bass in here. There's just so many yellow bass in here, which I don't want to waste my time fishing for because that's not what I'm targeting. And like I said, they're not that big. They're just real tiny. So we're gonna go to a different spot, find some bigger fish. Alright, man, good luck. There's some fish in here, but they're, like I said, the water's so clear they can see you. So we're gonna walk the river, see if we can find something more interesting. Freaking birds. They're gonna beat the crap out of me. Ah, gosh. There's gonna be, oh, birds. Fuck. I stepped on a bird. Dude, I almost stepped on a bird. Gosh, my bad. I'm just trying to fish. I'm just trying to fish. Oh gosh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. We made it. Oh, we made it. Woo, that was scary. I literally stepped onto like a hole and a bird came out. I was gonna die, dude. Got him. Oh, smallmouth bass. Relax. There's another small fish for you guys. Just because. These things, you either love them or hate them. But they can get annoying, not gonna lie. Alright guys, so just a few smallmouth. Nothing worth putting in a video, so we're gonna go down the river a little bit and maybe throw some top water, see if there's some big bass looking around. So stay tuned. Come on, Smalley. Oh, dude, I got him. Yep. That's a nice one. It's just the current probably. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh my gosh. Stay on. It's a nice Smalley, dude. Oh, jeez. It's actually really nice with this river. Back hook. I see him, so it's all good. Yep, I see him. Oh my gosh, that's a nice Smalley, dude. Wow. Chunky bass. Oh, let's go, dude. Oh, jeez, how do I grab him? That's a nice Smalley. That's a really big fish. Yes. Finally, he's poop and crawl, dude. Yes. That's a really good fish. Oh my gosh. What an explosion. Woo. It's poop and crawl everywhere. Holy cow. It's too far to get my DSLR, so I'm just gonna release it here, guys. Everything else was so dead. Nothing but like small smallies, you know, so I switched over to this topwater bait and caught this nice freaking 14-15 incher right here. That's a beautiful bass. Holy cow. That fish. Dude, you fall like a champ. Alright, Danny, just for you. See ya, buddy. Final stop. Oh, what's all that white stuff in the water? Oh, dead fish? What the heck? There's some white stuff in the water. They look like dead fish. They're huge. What was that? These finished casters, so I gotta check it out. Dude, those are dead trout. What the? Bro. Where is... Why is it... What the hell? Guys, I'm fishing the Fox River and there's a bunch of dead, like, stock fish, I think. What are these, steelheads? Bro, somebody dumped them here. What the heck? This is one weird find, y'all. I've never seen anything like this. There's 4 over there, 1 right there, and then there's 1 right here. That is so strange. There's not a bear here, right? Dude, they just... What the heck? Did the school come through or what? No, there's slices on the fish. That is so weird. Yeah, I think somebody tossed them here. Like, no, somebody didn't want it and they just threw it here. These are farm fish. They don't got the fin in the back. Got one. Okay. Jeez, so crazy, dude. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at this. Dude, you're so stubby. It's cool looking. Wow. Super strong fish. Wow. Okay. Damn. Got it from a good friend named Simone. Thank you, Simone. I can't show you guys the address, obviously, but it's for him. So let's pop it open real quick. Alright, let's see here. I guess we'll open it from the bottom, right? Oh, let's see what this is. Kind of excited. Oh, would you look at that? No freaking way. That is so slick. Come on, my boy Simone. You have to send me one of these. That's his merch right here, guys. And check it out. It's like that navy blue camel. That's amazing. Holy cow. Bro, thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it. Looks good. Alright, guys. So, as you guys saw the video, it was pretty epic and random. I did contact the warden. I just wanted to find out what was going on. I called and I was like, hey dude, like I saw some salmon or trout, whatever, in the river. I don't know what's going on. Can you go check it out? Because I don't know if they're supposed to be there. Did they make their way up to the Fox River? I don't know, right? After texting him in like 2 days later, he told me he didn't see anything. He went up and down the river. Nothing was there. So maybe a bear took it. I don't know. I thought it was really strange. What do you guys think? Leave it a comment down below. What should I have done? What would you guys do? Again, I don't know what happened, but so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, leave comments down below, hit the thumbs up, and we need rain. Lots of rain. I'll be back out there. I'll see you guys then.